Welcome to Senn TV's Senvisory Edition, our opportunity to keep you up to date with all things sensational. I'm Sam, and we'll be introducing the rest of our crew a little later in our broadcast. First things first, Club Day. Club Day was looking a little different this year. Senn's club moderators met with students via Meet. Looking around, I saw new students returning, interacting, answering questions, and getting excited about extracurriculars for this year. If you weren't there, don't worry. You can email the moderators for information. Are you a current student interested in joining a sport at Senn? Join us for our open house virtually on Friday from 2:30 to 3:30. Links to each sport will be posted later in the week. Get active and support Senn athletics. Do you want to participate in democracy while also making some extra money? I know I do. You have the opportunity to work as an election judge on Election Day, November 3rd. The requirements are you must be at least a junior or senior and a U.S. citizen. The deadline is Friday. Apply at the website shypollworker.com. If you have any questions, email Mr. Fingato. We here at Senn TV will be joining you on Wednesdays all year. Let's check out a quick video introducing our Season 6 crew.
Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a member of Senn TV Season 6, and a fun fact about me is that I really like to do crocheting. And for Senn TV, I hope to bring ideas and videos about e-learning and what the students and staff faculty members think about having to do e-learning.
Hey yo, what's good? My name is Edward Childress, and I'm back for Senn TV Season 6. What's happening? Alright, so boom. Fun fact about me is that I play video games, make music, and, I draw. I make YouTube videos, but I also do draw, and I do try to make music. So, yeah, boom.
Hello, I'm Dejane Underwood, and I'm a member of Senn TV Season 6. And a fun fact about me is that I accidentally joined the journalism program, but it ended up being like journalism is when you like the news and stuff, and I didn't know that. I thought journalism was like writing books and stuff, but it was the best accident, and it made me realize that I want to be a director, and I enjoy doing creative directing and stuff.
Hey guys, my name is Dahabo Farah, and I am a member of Senn TV Season 6. Something I like to do is swimming and traveling. Everything about like remotely learning and how like that's kind of like changed us and how us students are starting to feel about from 8 to 3 being on the computer. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Amira, a member of Senn TV Season 6, and a fun fact about me is that I cosplay. I cosplay 2 characters, one from a TV show and another from a book series.
Hello, my name is Jeremiah Word, and I'm a member of the Senn TV cast and crew of Season 6 this year. And a fun fact about me is I like to play basketball, and I also like to listen to music. My favorite artist is Frank Ocean. And for Senn TV this year, I would like to cover some of the sports teams and clubs that Senn has to offer. And yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. Peace out.
Hey guys, it's Sam, and welcome back to my part of Senn TV. You're going to be seeing a lot of self-awareness and activism on this side. I think there's a lot of topics that we need to talk about that aren't getting out there, and I am going to need you guys' help to help us get the word out about certain situations and things that are going on, either around the world, in our school, just things in general. And we're going to make this year really like interactive and community-based because we don't want you guys to feel alone.
Hey you guys, it's me, Alyssa Hammock, and I look so forward to being back for another season. A fun fact about me would be that I was born in California and I moved to Chicago when I was 3 years old. One of the things that I'm most excited about this season is definitely interviewing people. That's just one of the things I love the most about Senn TV. I definitely love interviewing people, mostly about controversial topics.
Hi, I am Valerie Sky Soto, and I am a member of Senn TV Season 6. A fun fact about me is I drink a lot of water in a day. For Senn TV, I want to have a segment of mine that's called Get Fit with Sky, where I do 3 or 4 exercises to do at home, just for you, to get your blood flowing and to feel good about yourself. Can't wait to see you.
Hey there everyone, Sadam Zawari here and I'm a member of Senn TV Season 6. Happy to be back. One fun fact about me is that I know how to drive a manual motorbike, and let me tell you, it's not as easy as it may seem. Plus it's also a bit dangerous, so for Senn TV, I'm planning on editing and making more videos with my class and Mr. Clooney, and making Season 6 one of the best seasons ever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later.
That's all the time we have for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get great breaking content. From Senn TV, this is Sam Oliva saying Toots Magoots.